a specialist in the art of the heart. They wave connections are true work of art, not with words nor words of might, but with compassion. Their beacon light each step they take, each word they say brings hope to these we have lost their way through storms that rage and winds that howl. They stand steadfast with no squall, their vision clear, their purpose bright to lead with love and endless light. For leadership is not just power, it blooms in love's eternal flower. In every challenge they see a chance to build a world of harmonies, dance through valleys deep and mountains high. Their courage lifts their dreams will fly. Their soul is vast as the ocean below, a sanctuary where hearts renew. The people whisper, the nations cheer for such a leader, both kind and dear. Their touch inspires, their words engine a flame of hope, bring through the night, farm, humble homes to royal hells. Their love transcends all borders and walls. A long love specialist, they have become a healer's heart that beats like a drum. Their leadership carves a noble trail where dreams are born and fears grow. Pali in their embrace, the world can see a future bright with anti through years uncounted. They will remain a guiding star through joy and pain, for love endures where strength may fade and marks the path. They have always laid in their shadow. We learn to grow a legacy that forever will glow. Let history write of their noble seeds, how they sowed love like scattered seeds for relationship, crowd with love so pure will stand eternal, strong and sure, a figure grand, a heart so deep in our souls, their light will keep in a world of choice. You are my claim. Thank you for the warmth in your arms and your heart that makes me feel at home. I love you and miss you. I will be your caught up in the sky, and I will be a shoulder to lean on. I will be you when you call me. You always on my mind. I cannot deny that a special person like you has taken a part of my heart away. I cannot wait to see you, my love. I will be your cloud up in the sky, and I will be a shoulder to lean on. I will be there for you when you call me. You are always on my mind. I can not deny that a special person like you has taken a part of my heart away. I cannot wait to see you, my love. Thoughts of you will never stop being in my heart. I wish you all the best on this earth and hope you will be here soon. I love you. The biggest happiness in my life is your smile. Seeing you happy is like being blessed again and again. Thank you for being you. Loving you comes so naturally. You are funny, kind, and intelligent, and for whatever reason you have decided to love me back, for that I am eternally grateful.